this is quantitative structure reactivity relationship, the lecture which we have started last time. So this also becomes the part of your minor one. This also, this also, this also, this also, right? And this also. So up to this is the syllabus for minor one. And now this one, this portion will be asked you in the major examination. This one, then the other, which we will, I will teach you today. So we talked about this substituent constant, and we know that the substituent constant, this is equal to log capital Kx upon capital Kh. So this is equilibrium or ionization constant, and then this is pKa of unsubstituted acid minus pKa of substituted acid. So this gives us the substituent constant, and I have already told you that this substituent constant remains constant for a particular substituent at a particular position, and this is independent of the nature of the reaction. Means reaction आपकी कोई भी हो, but उस substituent की value at particular position, and that is true at meta or para position, that remains the same. So I have given you some values, and from these values it is very clear that if you have a plus I group and these values are negative, whether this is at meta or this is at para, then for H we don't have any value, and for OMe, which is a minus I group but a plus M group, and this group, if it is placed at meta position, the value is plus. If this is placed at para position, the value is minus. So this is very, very important. So you can just see the sigma meta x for OMe is plus, whereas for para it is minus. So this will be we will discuss today. Y at meta this is plus, and y at para this is minus. And then if you have a plus minus M groups, like you have Cl, this COMe, BrC and nitro, the values are positive, but you will see here the values are different at meta position than at para position. So this is very, very important. Means the effect of the substituent at meta position is different on the reaction center than when it is placed at para position, right? So basically I have already told you that sigma x, the substituent constant, is a measure of the total polar effect exerted by the substituent on the reaction center. This is very, very important. So what basically the sigma s affect the reaction center, why exerting a polar effect, means why sometimes this is increasing the plus or minus charge, or sometimes this is decreasing the plus or minus charge on the reaction center, your reaction center, right? So we talked about, first of all, the base catalyzed hydrolysis of ethyl benzoates, but we have a nitro at meta position and methyl at meta position, because we see when methyl is at meta position the value is minus, and when nitro is at meta position the value is plus, right? And there is a large difference between these two values, and this is considered as plus M group or plus I group, and this is the minus M group. So we discussed this thing. You see here, when nitro is present at meta position, so this is exerting two effects. One effect is the minus I effect, another is the minus I and minus M on this ring, but not on the reaction center. On this ring, this group is minus M group as well as this is minus S. So this is basically acting in the same direction. See, this is our reaction center, and this reaction center is attached to the oxygen. This oxygen is more electronegative than carbon. So we have a partial positive charge developed on this reaction center, which is our carbonyl carbon. Now if you see, the rate determining step here is the attack of the OH negative. Means more is the positive charge on this carbon, more faster is our rate. And nitro, when this acts as a minus I, this creates partial positive charge on this carbon, partial positive charge on this carbon, partial positive charge on this carbon, and ultimately partial positive charge on this carbon. This means this nitro, because of minus I, is increasing the partial positive charge on this carbon and facilitating the attack of OH negative on this carbon, and hence the rate will increase. So that is why we have written here that rate for constant for meta nitro and rate constant for H. If we compare this, the value comes to be 63.5. Means the nitro, with nitro, the rate of the reaction is 63.5 times faster when there is no substituent. This is one thing. Then meta nitro at meta position, and this is also acting as a minus M for this ring. See, so this I have not written. Now this basically we have a double bond here. This double bond comes over here. We have a plus on this carbon. Then this double bond comes over here and plus on this carbon. And because of minus M, the nitro is creating a positive at ortho position, positive at ortho position, right? And this positive ultimately also making this carbon more electron deficient, but not as when the positive created by nitro is at this carbon, which is directly attached to the reaction center. At meta, this is creating positive charge on the ortho carbons, not on the carbon which is directly attached to the reaction center. This means due to minus M effect of this nitro, the effect is not as when this is present at para position, because when this is present at para position, it is creating a plus on this carbon. तो ये आप लोग घर बैठ जाके इसको लिख सकते हैं, तो आप लोग इसको लिख लेना, आपको पता चल जाएगा. When this is at meta position, this is not creating positive on this carbon, but when this is placed at para position, this is creating a plus on this carbon, right? So nitro, when it is placed at para position, its effect is much more when this is present than when it is present at meta position, because at meta this is not creating a plus on the carbon adjacent to the reaction center, but when it is at para it is creating a plus on the carbon which is adjacent to our reaction center, right? Now the methyl. So again, the same effect operates, but here the effect is opposite because this is pushing the electrons toward this carbon, more electron density, more electron density, more electron density, and electron density transferred to this carbon. And here the plus which is created by this oxygen is decreased. And that is why the rate with methyl at meta position is less than 1. That is, this is more with unsubstituted and less with meta methyl, and you have a minus value for the meta methyl for substituent constant. तो ये तो मैंने पहले भी आपको करवाया था, तो ये क्लियर है? अगर इसको कोई आपको डाउट है किसी को तो पूछ लो. इज इट क्लियर?
सर ये सेकंड ट्रांजिशन स्टेट है, इसमें कार्बन के ऊपर डेल्टा पॉजिटिव नहीं आएगा?
नहीं, सी if we see this one, this our substrate, here we have a partial positive charge because of this oxygen, right? ठीक.
यस सर.
अब अगर आप इसमें जाते हैं, सी कार्बन विद वन बॉन्ड, कार्बन विद अनदर बॉन्ड, राइट?
Okay sir, got it.
Because you have now a
5 bonds.
Electron density, not exactly 5 because these are partial bonds.
Yes sir.
But more than the 4.
Yes.
So here more electron density, we have a negative charge over here, partial negative charge. Clear? Okay.
Yes sir.
Now let us now go to the next. तो ये मैंने वही लिखा हुआ है जो आपको बताया है. Now let us consider another example. In the case of meta and para OMe, you will see OMe, the value for, So see, meta OMe, the value is plus, para OMe, the value is minus. So there is a large difference between these two values. This clearly indicates that the effect of OMe on the reaction center is different when it is present at meta or when it is present at para position. So total different effect of OMe on the reaction center when you change the position from meta to para. Value magnitude तो है ही है, but the sign is also different. So that is a very, very important thing, and let us see why this happens. Now see here. Now the meta OMe, the value is plus 0.12, right? And para, the value is minus. Now this is our reaction center, right? Now here your OMe is acting as a minus I group, as well as this is acting as a plus M group. Plus M means because of the lone pair of electrons on this oxygen, and because of the more electronegativity of this oxygen, this is acting as a minus I group. So अब now both these effects are acting in the opposite direction, right? So OMe minus I जो है, this is increasing the positive charge, वो मैंने बता दिया, positive here, positive here, positive here, positive here. So minus I is increasing the positive charge over here. Let us see the plus M. So when we say the plus M, these two electrons, मैंने आगे लिखा है शायद, I will explain this. Yes, नहीं, तो आगे चलना है. Yes, see, एक तो चीज ये क्लियर हो गया आप लोगों को कि जो OMe है, this is minus I, and this minus I is creating a plus on this, and rate is increasing. Clear? Now you see plus M effect. The plus M effect, these two electrons come over here, negative here, these two here, negative here, these two here, negative here, negative here. Now, when this is present at meta position, due to plus M effect, the negative is created at orthocarbon, negative is created at orthocarbon. Means this is increasing the electron density within the ring. This is increasing the electron density within the ring, but not affecting our reaction center. Not affecting our reaction center. तो हमारे reaction center में इसका effect नहीं हो रहा है, and this is because of minus I effect. The rate is more than when there is no substituent. Clear है? अब आप पैरा का बात करते हैं. Let us see the para. Para, again, when this is present at para, we have two effects. One effect is the minus I, another is the plus M. The minus I effect, what it will do, create plus air, plus air, plus air, plus air, and plus air, but less than this carbon, because OMe is present at 3 position, this is present at 4 position. And you know that as the distance between the reaction center and the minus I group increased, the effect gets reduced. So here also OMe, due to minus I effect, increasing the plus over here, but the more important is the plus M effect. See the effect of the plus M. These electrons come over here, negative shifted to this, negative comes, negative shifted to this, and this negative, instead of coming to this one, this side, this is taken by this carbon because of the partial positive charge. So this is electron deficient, so withdraws electron. When withdraws electrons, the positive charge on this carbon created by oxygen vanishes. 4 valencies, 1, 2, 3, 4, no positive charge. This means that the plus charge created by this carbonyl carbon, created by this oxygen on this carbon is now completely diminished or completely vanished by the plus M effect of OMe. And you know that when we have both these effects, always plus M predominates. And because of this, we don't have now a positive charge on this carbon, and because of this, the attack of this on this carbon gets reduced, and naturally the rate will decrease. And here we have the rate with KH is much more than when it is at para position. So this is the only difference why we have a negative value when OMe is present at para position. क्लियर हो गया ये?
यस सर.
दूसरा, फिर हम चलते हैं ट्रांजिशन स्टेट. बेसिकली आपको आगे भी आपने पढ़ा है, जो मेजर इफेक्ट होता है दैट इज द ट्रांजिशन स्टेट. If some group is stabilizing the transition state, rate will increase. If some group is destabilizing the transition state, the rate will decrease. Stabilize का मतलब transition state की एनर्जी कम हो जाती है. जब कम हो जाएगी, it is easy to cross the energy barrier. और अगर बढ़ गई तो it is difficult to cross the energy barrier. दूसरा एक्सप्लेनेशन ये है, now we have a negative charge on this carbon, and because of the minus I, this negative charge is spreaded over a larger surface area, stabilizing the transition state, so decreasing the energy of the transition state, and more molecules can cross energy barrier, rate will increase. That is what is here. See this in a transition state, negative charge, and this is now, instead of attracting or spreading this negative charge, this is increasing the negative charge on this carbon, means negative charge is increased. Once the negative charge on this carbon is increased, this is destabilizing the transition state. Once the transition state is destabilized, the energy will increase, and if the energy will increase, automatically it becomes difficult to cross the energy barrier, rate will decrease, and that is why the rate with unsubstituted is much more than when it is present at para position. So you can very easily find the reason why OMe at meta position have plus value for substituent constant and minus value when it is at para position for the substituent constant. So this is very, very important. तो ये मैंने लिखा हुआ है सारा यहाँ पे, same thing. Now last line I will conclude. Thus sigma x can be regarded as the measure of the overall polar effect exerted by the substituent on the reaction center, जो मैंने पहले भी आपको बोला है. Its sign indicate the direction. Negative means electron donating, plus means electron withdrawing, right? And its magnitude is the extent of the effect that X exert when compared with the net effect exerted by H. This is very, very important. जो magnitude है plus 0.12, plus 0.23, plus 0.71, plus 0.78. So ये जो magnitude है, this is the extent of the effect that X exert when we compare with the effect exerted by no substituent, that is hydrogen. तो जितनी ज्यादा प्लस वैल्यू होगी, इट मीन्स उतना ही स्ट्रॉन्ग आपके पास -m और -I ग्रुप है. जितनी नेगेटिव वैल्यू ज्यादा होगी, उतना ही इफेक्ट आपके पास इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग का ज्यादा है. तो ये जो है, दिस इज द ओवरऑल summary of the substituent constant sigma x. ये क्लियर है? तो फिर हम आगे चलें. क्लियर है ये?
Yes, sir.
So now we go to the reaction constant. Reaction constant is our rho. Rho is now in our reaction equation, it is the slope. Rho क्या है? Slope. ठीक है. So sigma x अगर आपको मालूम है, log small kx upon small kh आपको मालूम है, you will plot the graph and get the value of the slope, which is your reaction constant. So it is very easy for us to get the value for the reaction constant. तो रिएक्शन कांस्टेंट की वैल्यू भी हम आसानी से निकाल सकते हैं. सब्स्टिट्यूएंट की एक्स की वैल्यू तो आपको मालूम ही है, pKa माइनस pKa x. तो वहां से सिग्मा एक्स की वैल्यू निकल गई. रेट आपके पास है, तो यू कैन गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द रो फ्रॉम दिस इक्वेशन आर प्लॉटिंग द ग्राफ एंड गेट द वैल्यू ऑफ द स्लोप, विच इज योर रिएक्शन कांस्टेंट. दिस इक्वेशन इंडिकेट्स दैट रो must be positive for reactions which are favored by electron withdrawing groups. जो रिएक्शन इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप से फेवर होती हैं, कौन सी रिएक्शन? जो अभी पीछे हम बढ़ रहे थे, ये वाली. बेस कैटालाइज्ड हाइड्रोलिसिस में अगर प्लस माइनस m ग्रुप है, इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग ग्रुप है, तो नेचुरली आपका रेट बढ़ता है, रिएक्शन फेवर होती है. फॉर सच रिएक्शन योर रो मस्ट बी पॉजिटिव. वाई एंड हाउ इट इज पॉजिटिव? कहां से हमने ये निकाला? सी, रिएक्शन इज फेवर्ड. फेवर्ड का मतलब रेट इज इंक्रीजिंग, तो प्लस वैल्यू फॉर दिस वन. ठीक है. इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्रॉइंग के लिए हमारे पास वैल्यू क्या है? प्लस जेबी प्लस, ये तो ऑटोमेटिकली प्लस हो गई है ना. हम कह रहे हैं this equation indicates that rho must be positive for reactions which are favored by electron withdrawing groups. For electron withdrawing groups, sigma x is positive. Favored का मतलब rate is increasing. तो rate increase का मतलब this has a positive value, this has a positive value, rho is also positive. So these substituents have positive sigma, and this for this to be positive, right? अगर इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्राइंग ग्रुप के लिए ये पॉजिटिव है और अगर हम ये चाहते हैं कि ये भी पॉजिटिव हो, क्योंकि मतलब हमारा कि रेट विल इंक्रीज, उसको भी पॉजिटिव होना पड़ेगा. अगर ये नेगेटिव हुई तो दिस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय दिस इज नेगेटिव, रेट विल डिक्रीज. तो अगर ये पॉजिटिव है, इलेक्ट्रॉन विथड्राइंग ग्रुप में ये पॉजिटिव है और हम चाहते हैं कि ये भी पॉजिटिव हो, रो को पॉजिटिव होना ही पड़ेगा. सिमिलरली इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप में वी हैव नेगेटिव वैल्यू ऑफ दिस वन, और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि इसकी वैल्यू पॉजिटिव हो, रेट विल इंक्रीज, तो इसकी वैल्यू भी नेगेटिव होनी चाहिए. नेगेटिव मल्टीप्लाइड बाय नेगेटिव इज पॉजिटिव. तो दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव रिटन हियर. तो यहां से हमें ये पता चल जाएगा कि अगर हमारा रेट बढ़ रहा है, इफ द वैल्यू रेट इज इंक्रीजिंग विद इलेक्ट्रॉन डोनेटिंग ग्रुप, सी if the rate is increasing with electron donating group, the rho value must be negative, because for electron donating group our sigma x is negative, and if the rate is increasing for electron withdrawing groups, the rho must be positive. So these two things are very, very important. Now, a very, very important fact I have written here: since the extent to which reactions are favored by substituent, extent to which reactions are favored by substituents with different electronic properties, वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? Depends upon the buildup of charge in the transition state. जो इफेक्ट है सब्स्टिट्यूएंट का, जो एक्सटेंट है, मींस ज्यादा कम, वो किसके ऊपर डिपेंड करता है? चार्ज that has been built up by that substituent in the transition state. जो हम आपसे बात कर रहे थे, ये जो मैं आपको बता रहा था, यहाँ पे आप कहीं बताया मैंने, तो ये हम बता रहे थे आपको कि ये जो ट्रांजिशन स्टेट है, इसका जो चार्ज है इसके ऊपर इफेक्ट करता है. अगर ये स्प्रेड हो रहा है ओवर ए लार्जर सरफेस एरिया, द एनर्जी इज डिक्रीजिंग. अगर ये स्प्रेड नहीं हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है, तो नेचुरली एनर्जी इज इंक्रीजिंग. तो ये जो इफेक्ट है, यहां से हमें पता चलता है कि हमारी रिएक्शन को क्या हो रहा है. सो जो एक्सटेंट है, मींस कम या ज्यादा, टू विच रिएक्शंस आर फेवर्ड, कम फेवर हो रही है, ज्यादा फेवर हो रही है, डिसफेवर हो रही है, that depends upon the buildup of the charge in the transition state. So this is very, very important, and we may see reaction constant as a measure of this charge. तो जो हमारा रिएक्शन कांस्टेंट है वो इस चार्ज का मेजर है, कि वो जो चार्ज हमारा है वो रिएक्शन कांस्टेंट ये बताता है कि उस पे चार्ज किस टाइप का है, उसको क्या हो रहा है, whether this is increasing or this is making our transition state more stable or making our transition state less stable. Now this is the value of the reaction constant which has been calculated on the basis of the values of the this and this. ये values हैं, ये आपको थोड़ी learn करनी पड़ेंगी. First is the reaction of ARNH2 with 2,4-dinitrochlorobenzene in ethanol at 25 degree. The value of the rate constant is this is the rate constant, and the value of the reaction constant is -3.19. अब इसमें जो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट इसमें है उसकी वैल्यू चाहे वो मेटा पे है, पैरा पे है, चाहे वो क्लोरो है, ब्रोमो है, नाइट्रो है, मिथाइल है, चाहे वो कुछ भी है, the value for reaction constant remains the same. This is very, very important. Then the second reaction of ArNH2 with benzoyl chloride in benzene at 25 degrees Celsius. So this is again a rate constant, and the value of the reaction constant is minus 2.69. Solvolysis of ArCH2 in acetone means acetone में इसकी solvolysis reaction. Again, this is the rate constant. The value is minus 1.88. The reaction of ARO negative phenoxide ion with ethyl iodide in ethanol at 25 degrees Celsius. Again, this is the rate constant, and the value is minus 0.99. Then the value of the esterification, this is acid H plus here. So this is acid catalyzed methyl ester formation. So rate constant value is minus 0.09. Then acid catalyzed hydrolysis of ArCOOMe in aqueous methanol at 25 degrees Celsius. So this is acid catalyzed hydrolysis. So this is this is rate constant, then reaction constant, now it is plus. Reaction constant is plus. Then ionization of ArCH2COOH in water at 25 degrees Celsius. Now it is not rate constant, but this is the ionization constant. And the value of the reaction constant is now plus 0.47. Reaction of ArCH2Cl with I negative in acetone at 20 degrees Celsius. Again, this is a rate constant, so plus 0.79. Then base catalyzed hydrolysis of ArCH2COOET in aqueous ethanol at 30 degrees Celsius. Again, this is rate constant, and this is plus 0.82. Ionization of ArCOH, हमने ionization पहले ArCH2 की पढ़ी थी. Now here this is ArCOH. This is again ionization. जब भी आएगा तो कैपिटल K होगा. Ionization constant, the value is plus 1, क्योंकि यही तो हम लेते हैं स्टैंडर्ड रिएक्शन. आयोनाइजेशन ही लेते हैं ना बेंजोइक एसिड्स की. So this is a standard reaction, and the value is plus 1. Then ionization of phenols in water at 25 degrees Celsius. Again, this is capital K. The value is plus 2.01. Base catalyzed hydrolysis of ArCOET in aqueous ethanol at 25 degrees Celsius. Rate constant plus 2.51. And then ionization of the ArNH3 plus, though it is salt, ionizes in water. So again ionization constant, and the value is plus 2.73. Now these are the values which you have to learn. So one thing, see the entry 9 and the entry 12. Both are the same reactions. Base catalyzed hydrolysis of ester, base catalyzed hydrolysis of the ester. Here the value is plus 2.51, and here the value is 0.82. The difference is between Ar and COET, we have CH2 in this case, and no group or atom in between these two in this case. This means that effect of the substituent on the reaction center is decreasing as the length is increasing, or the distance of the substituent from the reaction center is increasing. तो automatically you can see the effect में आपकी यहाँ वैल्यू कम है, जहाँ वैल्यू ज्यादा है. तो जो सब्स्टिट्यूएंट आपका है वो इफेक्ट करता है आपके रिएक्शन सेंटर को, और अगर वो दूर हो गया तो ऑटोमेटिकली उसका इफेक्ट कम हो जाएगा, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस वी हैव डिफरेंट वैल्यूज हियर एंड हियर। ये आपको मैं बताऊंगा अभी आगे। तो ये वैल्यूज हैं, सिर्फ आपको इनको लर्न करना है और कुछ नहीं, लेकिन प्लस और माइनस से आप कुछ चीजें यहां से इंफॉर्मेशन आइडिया लगा सकते हैं। माइनस वैल्यू होगी अगर है तो ये रो माइनस हो गई, सिग्मा एक्स माइनस होगा तो रेट इंक्रीज होगा। मींस इफ यू हैव ए नेगेटिव वैल्यू देन those groups which are plus m or plus I, they will increase the rate of the reaction। समझ आ गई? क्योंकि ये माइनस है, इसको माइनस होना पड़ेगा तभी टोटल प्लस आएगा। सेम अगर ये प्लस है रो की वैल्यू तो ये भी प्लस होगा तभी रेट आपका इंक्रीज होगा। तो दिस मीन्स द रो विद प्लस वैल्यू, the reaction constant with plus value, this is favored the reaction when you have a sigma x with plus value, means electron withdrawing group, और अगर माइनस है तो this is favoring the reaction when your the substituent is electron donating। तो ये आइडिया हम यहां से लगा सकते हैं। और वो एक्सटेंट तो आ ही गया कि वैल्यू जितनी ज्यादा है उतनी कम है, उतना एक्सटेंट ज्यादा कम हो जाएगा, उतनी वैल्यू इसकी ज्यादा कम आ जाएगी। और आपका
खारा सोडा ओ पता क्या नींबू की पत्ती भी भूखन में टेढ़ पीड़ा हुआ थी, पता नहीं क्यों। ओ आंधी मेरा मन कर
महक अपना माइक बंद करो।
खाना में ले ले कोई चक्कर नहीं है, कोई रुपी हो रही है मैं चिल्ला को खिला दूंगी आपको आ गई।
So who is this? महक। तो ये यहां से हम आइडिया लगा सकते हैं, राइट? और कैसे होगा वो हम आगे डिस्कस करते हैं। तो यू इफ यू सी दिस इक्वेशन, you know the sign of rho, you know the sign of the substituent constant, your rate will be determined whether this is increasing or this is decreasing. If this is plus, this is minus, rate is decreasing. If this is minus, this is plus, rate is decreasing. And if both are having the same sign, the rate will increase. Right? तो ये चीजें आपको समझ आ जाएंगी। अब आगे देखते हैं how this is affecting the rate. Let us see the example. The reaction of aryl amines with benzoyl chloride. A reaction of aryl amine with benzoyl chloride. The second one, the value of the reaction constant is minus 2.69. Minus 2.69. So see here. We know that this is our nucleophilic center, this is our electrophilic center. So this will attack over here, and this is now our transition state. Now in that transition state, we have a plus charge developed on this nitrogen, right? So any substituent which is decreasing this plus charge, that is favoring our reaction, means our rate will increase, right? So कौन से ग्रुप हमें फेवर करेंगे? which are increasing the electron density within this ring and ultimately on this nitrogen, right? तो कौन से ग्रुप हो गए? माइनस सॉरी प्लस आई, ठीक है, या फिर हमारे पास प्लस एम। तो अगर प्लस एम ग्रुप पैरा पे है तो दैट इज डायरेक्टली डिक्रीजिंग दिस पॉजिटिव चार्ज, स्टेबलाइजिंग द ट्रांजिशन स्टेट, एंड मोर मॉलिक्यूल कैन क्रॉस द एनर्जी बैरियर, रेट विल इंक्रीज। और प्लस एम में आपके पास सिग्मा एक्स की वैल्यू क्या है? माइनस, माइनस माइनस इज प्लस, रेट विल इंक्रीज। और अगर आपके पास प्लस वाले हैं इलेक्ट्रॉन विड्रॉइंग ग्रुप, वो क्या करेंगे? रिंग को डीएक्टिवेट करेंगे, प्लस करेंगे और यहां पे और ज्यादा प्लस करेंगे, रेट विल डिक्रीज। जे लिखा हुआ मैंने इधर। देन द सेकंड, बेस कैटालाइज्ड हाइड्रोलिसिस ऑफ इथाइल बेंजोएट्स, जो अब हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे रिएक्शन, द रिएक्शन कांस्टेंट हियर इज प्लस। सो ये तो आपको पहले भी मैंने बताया हुआ है आपका, ये दिस इज द रेट डिटरमाइनिंग स्टेप, दिस इज द ट्रांजिशन स्टेट, और जो हमारे पास ग्रुप होंगे which are spreading this negative charge over a larger surface area, they will favor। और वो कौन से ग्रुप हैं? माइनस एम एंड माइनस आई बोथ। और दोनों क्या करेंगे? वो इसको स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं, ट्रांजिशन स्टेट को स्टेबलाइज कर रहे हैं, एनर्जी कम कर रहे हैं, रेट विल इंक्रीज। और उन ग्रुप्स में सिग्मा की वैल्यू क्या है? प्लस। तो प्लस प्लस इज प्लस,
रेट इंक्रीज।
और अगर माइनस प्लस एम ग्रुप है जब प्लस आई ग्रुप है तो वो क्या करेंगे? इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी बढ़ाएंगे, अल्टीमेटली और बढ़ेगी, ट्रांजिशन स्टेट डीस्टेबलाइज होएगी और आपके पास ऑटोमेटिकली रेट विल डिक्रीज। तो ये आप एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं। तो अगर आपको वैल्यू बता भी दें हम और वैल्यू ना भी बताएं तो आप उसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं कि इसके हिसाब से, इक्वेशन के हिसाब से हमारा रेट इंक्रीज होना चाहिए। सी, विद द हेल्प ऑफ इक्वेशन द रेट विल इंक्रीज, बट एक्चुअली हाउ वी विल एक्सप्लेन दैट द रेट विल इंक्रीज, तो वो आप यहां से कर सकते हैं। ठीक, देन दिस एग्जांपल, ये जो मैं आपको बता रहा था, जो यहाँ पे आपके पास दिस इज आल्सो ए बेस कैटालाइज्ड हाइड्रोलिसिस, और जहां CH2 ना हो तो दैट इज आल्सो ए बेस कैटालाइज्ड हाइड्रोलिसिस। और अगर CH2 बीच में है तो आपके पास जो रो की वैल्यू है दिस इज प्लस 0.82, और अगर ये नहीं है, ये डायरेक्टली इसको अटैच्ड है, द वैल्यू इज 2.51। तो ये जो डिफरेंस है दिस इज ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ द दिस डिस्टेंस ऑफ द रिएक्शन सेंटर फ्रॉम योर सबस्टिट्यूएंट, राइट। तो the lower value of rho indicate that hydrolysis of, double off नहीं है, ये single ही है, of ethyl aryl acetate is less sensitive to the effect of substituent than the hydrolysis of ethyl benzoate। तो वही आ गया कि इसका इफेक्ट आपका थोड़ा सा कम हो जाता है as you move away from the reaction center। So finally we will say electron withdrawing group have plus sigma value and promotes the reactions with plus rho values. Electron donating groups have minus sigma value and promotes the reactions with minus reaction constant value। और अगर उल्टा हो जाएगा तो रेट कम होगा, अगर ऐसा ही रहेगा तो रेट बढ़ेगा। और वो क्यों बढ़ेगा वो आपको एक्सप्लेन करना है, वो आप ऐसे एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं जहां पे और जहां पे। तो दोनों टाइप की रिएक्शंस मैंने आपको बता दी, वन व्हेन रो इज नेगेटिव, द अदर व्हेन रो इज पॉजिटिव। तो आप लोग, मैंने तो आर लिखा हुआ है, आप जब एक्सप्लेन करेंगे तो यू विल पुट आर एट पैरा पोजिशन विद प्लस एम इफेक्ट, ऑल्सो एट पैरा पोजिशन विद माइनस एम। तो अलग अलग भी रख सकते हैं, बट पैरा और मेटा पे रख के आप एक्सप्लेन करेंगे और फिर आप बताएंगे इसको, राइट। तो ये था हमारा। अगर इसमें आपने किसी को कुछ पूछना है तो वो आप मुझसे पूछ लो, एंड कीप योर वीडियो ऑन। तो आप लोग अपना वीडियो ऑन कर लो, अगर किसी को कोई डाउट है तो वो मेरे से पूछ सकता है। एक और दूसरा, आज